Now it's time to produce your own version of the PDF lead magnet with your affiliate links, and you want to go to this page where you can rebrand the lead magnet. You are requested to enter your affiliate links for these 5 programs. The first one is Leadsleap, of course, and the second one is this opportunity here, the Safelist Cash System. In order to get your affiliate link, you can click on this button. It will take you to Warrior Plus. You can request your affiliate link there, copy it, and bring it here. Put it on this field here. You do the same for your favorite 3 traffic programs. They can be viral mailers or Safelists or any other traffic program. It can be an offer on Warrior Plus as well. When you put all your affiliate links here, you want to click on this download PDF button. So let's do a test with just my affiliate link for Leadsleap on all the fields, but of course you want to put your true affiliate links for all these programs, and you click download. Now the rebranding is happening, and this link here actually is the link to your new PDF that has your affiliate links. So let's just copy it. Of course you can host the PDF on another server if you want, but this is the link that Leadsleap has provided us. Now what you want to do is take this link or any other link where you host your PDF and stick it to the delivery page on the red button. This is your delivery page open on the editor of Leadsleap, and you want to put that link on this red button here. Of course, if you host it on another server, you can just copy the same link here so that your future subscribers will access the PDF. Let's try to open this PDF here. So let me paste the link and click it. Now it gives me to download the PDF. And when it's downloaded, I want to open it, and this is exactly what you will see. All these links that are in this PDF are your affiliate links. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you on my next one.